Medical Technology Limited. This is analytical ICU ventilator. So this is the power supply. Switch on the power supply, and this is one battery connection. Switch on this one. So switch on here. Okay? Again. Lock button is there. Press this one. So this is the main window. First starting, admit patient, add a patient details, name, demo, after that ID, date of birth, admit date, height, weight, accept here. Okay. After that, this is the modes, change mode. So here volume control mode, pressure control mode is there. Okay. Select any one. These are parameters: inspiratory, expiratory, this all respiratory ratio. So I accept this. So this is alarm profile. Accept auto set. Accept. So first, before you are when you are going to give the connection to patient, so first pre-check. So supply, switch off the oxygen supply, back side. Yes. So after that, power connection, switch on. Alarm, buzzer. So remove this one, expiratory. So okay. After that, yes. Remove inspiratory. Yes. So fit again. Okay. Now all test is successfully passed. So okay, done. Now start ventilation. So we selected pressure control, assist control mode. So here alarm profile, alarm history is there. You can check alarm history. So this one alarm profile. These are upper ranges. So you want increase means you can increase also. After that, accept here. So here are the additional features. Additional features means expiratory hold, inspiratory hold. So when we are giving to patient, sometimes start or stop, close. These are loops. 3 loops is there: volume, flow, pressure, flow. These are. So after that, close this one. Wave scales. Waveform scales, auto set is there, manual is there, auto set, these are everything. So after that, close this one. Additional settings. Additional settings means inspiratory and expiratory ratio. You can increase here also, no problem. Close. So this is above PEEP and the respiratory ratio, PEEP, oxygen. So now system is running with turbine mode. So turbine mode give you only 21% oxygen. So you need 100% oxygen means. So this is oxygen connection. So open this valve, increase the pressure up to 2. So after that, select here, Q 100% oxygen, accept. So it will increase here slowly. So different values is here showing. After that, additional values also here, this MVIT, these are. So thank you.